got regulators here today, we've got customers, we've got suppliers. It's the whole ecosystem working together that's really going to solve this problem.
This is kind of cutting edge, front of the pack, thought leadership, and it's been a great experience hearing what folks are doing and what decisions are being made.
So I found it really interesting talking about some of the different directives that are coming from the TSA, and actually some of the thought process behind how the transit operators are looking to address cybersecurity and the challenges that they have.
I think more people should be involved in it just for the networking, being able to get and meet your peers, get that feeling of community across the board.
It's a good opportunity for us and for the MTA to expand our learning.
There's just a wealth of knowledge in this room. I mean, between all the different companies and the attendees, if you added up all the years of experience, I'm sure you're over 1,000 years of experience in the industry, specifically transportation, but also cybersecurity.